Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Real quick video, part 2 of this. I stated in the other video that this had a rounded corner and it doesn't really matter, but it would, I think, look a little bit better. So what you need to do is go up to Object and convert the outline to an object, and then you can left click, right click. I didn't have it selected. Left click, no fill, right click, outline. And now what you have is an object. And we're going to go up to Windows, Dockers, corners, and look at that, it's already rounded off. That might be a little bit too much, so we're going to back up and and turn this like to 0.03. And look at that. I must have had more than one node selected. Matter of fact, I'm going to get rid of that. With the shape tool, get rid of that node. It shouldn't throw it off any. And you could actually round this one off. You'd round it off a lot less, maybe like 0.01. And look at that. Then when you fill it in, it's going to look rounded. We'll take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in. And you would want to do it to the both ends. We'll just go ahead and do it real quick because it didn't take any time. And this is what I was trying to do earlier, and I'm actually going to do it now. Left click, right click, make sure that's a hairline. And what we can do is, this is what I wanted to do earlier, break that apart. So now this is all going to be one piece when we fill it in. Get the shape tool, take that one. We'll do this one. We'll do this one first because we've already got the 0.1 up. And then grab that one and change it to 0.03. Hit apply. That looked too much. 0.02. Oh, it doesn't look like it's too much. I'm doing the wrong one. So 0.03. I knew something looked funny. And then when you take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in, all that, the base and the bracket is going to be all one piece. Pretty cool, pretty fast. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.